Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about what is the right amount of exercise for Vata, Pitta and Kapha person, because many times we always get confused, how to do exercise according to your body type, how to do exercise according to your Prakriti, how a Vata person should do exercise and to what extent, how much Pitta person should do exercise and to what extent, how much Kapha person should do exercise and to what extent, how to solve this problem of exercise or this confusion, and is there any solution in Ayurveda about how much activity should a Vata, Pitta and Kapha person choose on the basis of the body movements or body exercise or intense activity. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. As you know, whenever we do the movement, like whatever movement we will do, it will enhance the Vata dosha. So that means if somebody has Vata diseases or Vata related diseases, that means they should not move a little finger. No, it's not true. Little bit movement is needed for every human, because the change and the movement is law of universe. It's a law of nature. If we become stagnant, we will get spoiled. It's just like, as water's nature is just to flow, and if water gets stagnant, we will collect water in one pot and just keep it like that then means it will go rotten up, totally bad. And our body is also in change continuously. Like we were child, our body was small, then big, then big, then big, and then it will become young, and then old age start coming, and this is how we die. But then you must say like, then in yoga you are saying about stillness, just stillness. The yogic stillness that we are talking about, it is not about your body. It's about your being, unwavering, not yoga chitta vritti nirodha. That means it's a different concept. But our body, as you know, our nails are growing, our skin is changing, our liver is functioning, food is converting into excreta or like waste material, sweating, we are talking. So our body is in constant change. So by just stopping and just sitting, what we are doing, we are just stopping the flow of the change. So that's why little bit exercise we all should do, whether you are housewife, whether you are youth, whether you are old, whether you are a child, whether you are anyone. Everybody needs movement in their body. Or now the question comes, in some people this intense movement is needed, and to some people little bit movement is needed. It depends on the strength of the body, on the age in which you are, on the kind of work you are doing, in the kind of like you are youth or adult or child or old person. So it depends on various things, like what profession you are or what field you are in or what age of life you are going through. Accordingly you need to choose the activity. There is an exception for like when you are very sick. So of course there is exception, that is different thing. When you are bedridden, you can't move a finger, that is different thing. But if you are even having little bit of fever, little bit exercise you must do. Even whatever you are going through, little bit movement of the body is very beneficial, not only for your body but your circulatory system, for your skeletal system, for your tendons, for your muscles, for your nerves, for your neurons, for I would say for everything, for respiratory system, for everything, except you have some very severe surgery or very difficult, some very like rigorous disease you have went through, that is different thing. But in general diseases, if you can eat food properly, if you can walk, that means you are capable to do exercise also. But yes, when you are choosing exercise, you need not to choose immediately in one day very intense exercise. You need to choose exercise accordingly, according to your body strength, and accordingly slowly you need to enhance it. In Ayurveda, it's been said, like if you have Vata body type, so that means Vata body type will naturally enhance the if you are Vata body type and if you are doing exercise, so definitely it will aggravate the Vata dosh. But it is important for a Vata person also to do mild exercise, because if they will not do any exercise, no movement throughout the day, then again that I gave you example about this water stuck in a bad pond and then it just got rotten up, because water's nature is to flow. So it's a lot of negativity, a lot of stagnancy will come in the life, in mind, in ideas, in everywhere. So it is, and it also give birth to depression. So it's very important for Vata person that you also choose to do exercise, but mild. Next comes the Pitta body type. For Pitta body type also exercise is very, very important, but you need not to do the rigorous exercise, but you should also do good amount of exercise, actually little more than Vata person, but enough exercise Pitta person also is needed, for Pitta person also is needed more than Vata person. And when it comes to Kapha person, you need intense exercise, very, very intense exercise, because if you have Kapha body type, that means you have a lot of water element in you and earth element in you and a lot of stagnancy in you. So just to remove this Kapha dosha in you and to balance this Kapha dosha, you need a rigorous and intense exercise, because as you know, must have seen many times, these Kapha body type people, for them it's very difficult to lose weight, and if they do, unless they do intense exercise, and when they do even simple exercises, they feel like their body weight is keep on going on. So it's very, very important that Kapha person will do intense exercise. So all these three people should do exercise. But now what will happen if Vata person will do intense exercise? If Vata person will do intense exercise, it will not benefit him, though it will harm him, because it will aggravate the Vata dosha. Pitta person, if do intense exercise, it will aggravate the Pitta dosha and Vata dosha too. But for Kapha person, intense exercise is recommended because it is essential for him. And according to your body type, you should choose exercises like Kapha people can do rigorous jogging or aerobics. All these things are very beneficial for Kapha body type people. Here I am not talking about yoga. Here I am talking about exercise. For Pitta persons, sports are very good, or mild, like little moderate sports are swimming is very beneficial for Pitta person. And for Vata body type person, at least walking they should do, if nothing, at least walk they should do. It's very, very essential for them. Rigorous exercise you should not do, because this will, as you know, Vata person has tendency to lose weight. So if you keep doing exercise, you will lose your weight more. At the same time, whenever you are trying to induce new activity in one day, don't start doing everything like aerobics, swimming, this, that. Just sometimes you become very health conscious and start doing everything in one day. When you are from your stagnant routine going to some active routine, slowly move step by step, so that your heart don't feel pressure, so that your body don't feel pressure, and eventually maintain that routine. So here all the talk was about exercise, not about yoga. So yoga is also like somebody should do this, somebody should do that. When it comes to yoga, definitely there are timings to do yoga. You should not do yoga full stomach. We all know yoga should always be done empty stomach. And for yoga, even Vata person do, he will get benefited. Pitta person do, he will get benefited. Kapha person will do, he will get benefit, because yoga is something which balances all the three doshas, because yoga practices are more about breath related. Unless some yoga practice, if you are doing something which is just pure physical or very heat enhancing, so in that cases, if you are very high Pitta person, then you need to see how much heat you need in the body. Accordingly you choose that practice. Same for the Kapha person, like you need to see like how much sitting and meditation you need to do, because Kapha person, if he does only meditation and just sitting and no movement, it will be very possible that he will gain a lot of weight. So if you want physical health also along with mental health, about yogic health also, we need to make a balance and combination of all the practices which suits to your body. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.